We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print a supply status page, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet Pro MFP-M426fdw. So pretty simple on this printer. You're going to go to your touch screen and you're going to swipe to the right, and then you're going to hit the spot that says supplies, hit report, and then it should start printing that report. You can find useful information on here such as the original toner install date, how many pages you printed on it, and a lot more useful things. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.